How to use Lalal.ai API for developers. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, scroll down to the footer or navigate to the developer section where you will find the API link under Explore section. Click on it to open the API docs. If you don't have an account yet, create one and log in to access your API key from the developer dashboard. The API key is essential for authenticating your request to Lalal.ai services. Copy this key and keep it secure. Lalal.ai API allows developers to integrate audio separation features into their application by sending audio files for processing and receiving separated stems like vocals and instrumentals. To get started, follow the API documentation, which explains the endpoints, request formats, and response structures in details. You can upload audio files via API calls, specify separation modes, and monitor processing status programmatically. Once processing is complete, you can download the separated tracks through the API and use them in your apps or workflows. Make sure to check the usage limits and pricing for API access, as some advanced features or higher usage may require upgrading your plan. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lalal.ai API for developers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.